Hello YouTube. This is tutorial 10 or tutorial 11, sorry, in our Minecraft Forge modding tutorial series. We left off working on the block cable. So, let's jump right back in where we were. We just got done with the render as normal block method. And now we are going to do public tile entity, and then create tile entity, and then world. We're going to give it an integer of world, and then world again. And then we're going to give it an integer of meta. There we go. We are going to import tile entity. And then we're going to put a switch method. So switch. And then meta. Okay. And we're gonna put case 0, and then return new tile entity cable. There we go. And then we will create that later on. And then right under the switch method, we put return null. There we go. Okay. We will create the tile entity cable class really quick. So we want to put it in the tile entity class, or package, sorry. And hit finish. Whoops. Whoopsies. Didn't realize I didn't do uppercase. Sorry guys if you can hear that rain. It's raining out where I am. Okay, so there we go. Alright. And I don't know why I have that open. Alright. And then, after that method, we're going to do public boolean has tile entity. And we're going to give it an int of meta again. It's just because I haven't added a return method. And then we want to return that equals 1. There we go. Huh. Oh. Return meta. There we go. That would have irritated me if I would have found out what that was right away. Okay. Public boolean should side be rendered and then we are going to put iBlock access. And we're just going to call this world. And then we're going to give it an int x, int y and an int z, and then we are going to give it an int side. And then this defaultly returns false. There we go. And then we are gonna do public void get side block or sub blocks, sorry. Get sub blocks. And then it's gonna be item, creative tabs, and we're just going to call it tab, and then list and list. And then we are going to import list, which is Java util list. So Java util. There we go. And then we'll import item. It would be the net.minecraft.item. And then see why we're doing the sub blocks is later in the tutorial series I might add a second block. Like, first we're gonna have a cable, and then I might make an uninsulated cable that loses power because it's a cheaper cable to make, or something like that. I don't know. So we do list dot add and new item stack. New item stack. This comma space 1 comma space 0 and there. And now we'll import item stack, and there we go. This whole class is finished. So let's see how long this tutorial's been. Okay, so we can start working on the tile entity cable. Actually, you know what? We're gonna work on the standard metadata again. We are gonna add information to the cable. So we're gonna go public void add, whoopsies, add information, information item stack, item stack, item stack, and then entity player, and then player, and then list, and then boolean advanced. And there we go. So we are going to import entity player, and then we are going to import list. There we go. And then we're gonna do if item stack dot, ooh, that scared me, dot get item, yeah, get item, and then is equal to item dot get item from block, and then cut blocks dot cable, and then int meta equals item stack dot get item damage, and then we're gonna do if meta is equal to 0. Our first cable that we're making is meta 0, just if you're wondering. And then we need to do list dot add, and then it is energy lost, or energy loss 0 space, and then plus energy dot tutorial. Tutorial is the energy network name I made, and then dot get tutorial dot get symbol plus slash m. There we go. Now that's done. So now when you're looking at the cable, it's gonna have a little list box that's open, and it's just gonna tell you that with this cable you receive no energy loss. And then, you know, with the uninsulated, we might make it you have 1 energy loss, or whatever you want to call your thing. Okay, so let's see how good we're doing on time. Okay, well, it's 13 minutes. So my name's Andrew, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.